Do you ever find yourself overwhelmed in the grocery store, your cart full, but your wallet emptying faster than you'd like? This scene might seem all too familiar. The average American spends over $400 a month on food. That's quite a chunk out of our budgets. But fear not, there's no need to resort to a life of ramen noodles just yet. Saving money on food isn't merely about cutting out coupons, although they do help. It's about smart budgeting and savvy shopping habits. Meet Sarah. Like many of us, she often falls into the grab-and-go trap. Impulse buys, ready meals, and fancy ingredients can quickly drain her wallet. But it doesn't have to be this way. With a few simple tweaks, grocery shopping can turn into a budget-boosting adventure. So, let's embark on this journey with Sarah and learn how to shop smarter and save better. Step 1 in your budgeting journey: embrace the power of planning. Now, this might sound like a chore, but it's actually a secret weapon in the battle against overspending. By creating a weekly meal plan, you're not just deciding what's for dinner, but also building a strategic shopping list. This list becomes your roadmap in the grocery store, guiding you to only pick up what you need for your meals and helping you steer clear of those pesky impulse buys that can quickly add up. And the best part? It's a surefire way to combat food waste. By planning your meals, you're ensuring that every item in your cart has a purpose, a dish it's destined to be a part of. This means less food ends up in the trash, and more money stays in your pocket. Bonus points for utilizing leftovers. Transform yesterday's roast chicken into a hearty soup or salad. That's planning at its finest. Moving on to step 2. Befriend your pantry and fridge. Before you even lace up your shopping shoes, take a moment to play detective in your own kitchen. You'll be surprised at how many meals you can whip up with what's already on your shelves. This way, you're not buying duplicates of items you already have, and you're getting creative with your meal plan. Now let's shift gears to the supermarket. Here's where the game gets interesting. Step 3. It's time to become a price warrior. You see, not all brands are created equal, and the most expensive option isn't always the best. So compare prices, sizes, and brands. Don't shy away from store brands or generic options. Often, you'll find they deliver the same quality at a fraction of the price. And that stack of weekly flyers that land on your doorstep, don't toss them in the recycling bin just yet. They're your secret weapon in the quest for savings. Those weekly flyers? Your new best friends. Step 4. Prioritize fresh, seasonal produce. Eating in harmony with nature's cycle can be a game changer for your wallet. When fruits and vegetables are in season, they're not only at their peak of flavor, but also often cheaper. You'll be tasting the rainbow without the need for a pot of gold. Transitioning to the kitchen, let's talk home cooking. The lure of takeout or a restaurant meal can be strong, especially after a long day. But did you know, on average, homemade meals cost less than half of what you'd pay dining out? That's a chunk of change that can stay right in your pocket. Moreover, cooking at home allows you to control portion sizes, ingredients, and ultimately, your health. Plus, let's not overlook the joy of sharing a meal you've crafted yourself. By mastering a few basic dishes, you'll not only save money, but also impress your friends with your culinary skills. Remember, saving money on food is a journey, not a destination. This journey is filled with small victories and lessons learned. Each trip to the grocery store is an opportunity to practice your newfound skills. We've taken a look at some key steps today: embracing the power of planning, befriending your pantry and fridge, becoming a price warrior, prioritizing fresh, seasonal produce, and honing your cooking skills. These steps, simple as they might seem, can make a world of difference in your budget and your lifestyle. They encourage you to think creatively and responsibly about your food choices. They invite you to explore the vast culinary world without leaving your kitchen. And the best part? This journey isn't just about saving money. It's about enriching your life with the joy of cooking, the satisfaction of smart shopping, and the delight of savoring meals that you've crafted with your own hands. So ditch the ramen, embrace the kitchen, and watch your savings stack up, one delicious bite at a time.